Hi, in this tutorial we will talk about how to send transaction and get data. And for sending transaction, we have a function called send transaction, and that has a parameter requirement, which is the contract address, the hash of the ABI, the method name, the arguments that the method requires, and a delegate that will return the response. So we create a request, which is a post request, and we have our body which contains the device ID, the contract address that we are going to call to, the ABI hash of the ABI of the contract. And to get the ABI hash, we will call the send ABI function, and we will pass in the ABI, which is the application binary interface, and we will get the ABI hash back. So once we get that back, we can pass the ABI hash here, and what function we want to call in that contract, and are there any parameters that the contract method which we are calling requires. So once we pack up all that payload or information in the body, and then we can send the request, and we will get back a ticket that we need to sign on MetaMask, and the MetaMask will pop up like, do we want to confirm or do we want to sign based on the information, and then we can get the result once we reject or confirm the transaction. Then we can call the get ticket result, and in that we can get the status of the ticket, whether it is successful or it was rejected. And to retrieve data, we can do the same thing, but instead of sending the request at base URL plus send transaction, we will send the request to the base URL plus call method, and we can get the data depending on the function which returns whatever the backend is programmed to.